Welcome to this beginner's guide to Azure Synapse Mapping Data Flow, a powerful tool for transforming and loading large datasets into Azure Synapse Analytics. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and managing mapping data flows, explaining key concepts, providing practical examples, and sharing best practices. First, let us start with the basics. Mapping data flow is a visually designed data transformation process that allows you to convert, aggregate, and transform data from various sources into the desired format for analysis. To get started, navigate to the Azure Synapse workspace and click on the Develop tab. Then select Mapping Data Flows. The next step is to create a new mapping data flow by clicking on the New Mapping Data Flow button. Here, you can choose from a variety of sources, including Azure Blob Storage, Azure Data Lake Storage, and more. For this example, we will use Azure Blob Storage. Simply enter the storage account details and file path to connect to the source data. Once connected, you can add transformations to your data flow. Transformations are used to manipulate and transform the data. Some common transformations include select, filter, aggregate, and join. For instance, if you want to filter out rows with missing values, you can use the filter transformation. After adding transformations, you can configure the sink to load the transformed data into a destination. Azure Synapse supports various sinks, including Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure Blob Storage, and Azure Data Lake Storage. In this case, we will load the data into Azure Synapse Analytics. Now, let us talk about some best practices. When designing your mapping data flow, make sure to test each transformation individually to ensure data quality and accuracy. Also, consider using parameters to make your data flow more dynamic and reusable. Additionally, monitor your data flow performance and optimize it as needed to improve execution time and reduce costs. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Mapping Data Flow is a powerful tool for data transformation and loading. By following these steps and best practices, you can create efficient and scalable data flows that meet your business needs. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, mapping data flow is an essential component of any Azure Synapse Analytics project. Start exploring and leveraging the capabilities of mapping data flow today to unlock insights and drive business decisions.